Okay, babe. So I'm gonna read a passage for you. I want you to listen because I'm gonna ask you some questions after, right? If you don't know the answers, okay, we can skip it and go on to the other one, okay? So the first one, it's about a desert, okay? A desert is a place where the weather is dry and often hot. Some people think it is a place where there is nothing but sand. This is true sometimes, but some deserts have many kinds of plants and animals living in them. The kinds of plants and animals living there usually do not require much water. For example, some desert plants can store water in their leaves and exist for long periods of time without any rain. Some animals that live in the desert get all the water they need by eating the leaves of plants that have water in them. People who have been lost in the desert have died because they had no water to drink. Some of these people would not have died if they had known how to survive. People who know how to survive in such a dry place often know how to obtain water from cactus plants. A person may enjoy living in the desert because he thinks it is a beautiful place, but another person may think the same place is not pretty at all. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
What do we call a place that is dry and often hot?
Desert.
Okay, you can wait to answer that. What do some people think a desert is?
A place that only has sand.
Very good, you see, you were listening. What do some deserts have living in them?
Animals and plants.
Very good. What is it about some plants and animals that enables them to live in the desert? So how is it that they can live in the desert?
A plant stores their leaves store water in their leaves, and animals eat those plants so they can survive with water.
Yep. Where do some deserts or plants store water? You just told me.
Deserts or plants store
the plants in the deserts. Where do they store the water? You just
in
told
their
me.
leaves.
Right.
You just told me. You should be the answer one.
Where do some animals that live in the deserts get water?
From plants, I already told you.
I know, babe, but those are the questions here. So trying to see if you remember. If you tell me the same answer, you make up something else.
Yeah.
So trying to trick you.
Oh.
What has sometimes happened to people who have been lost in the desert?
Killed. Died.
Okay. Right, but why did they die? How did
Because
they
they didn't have any water.
die? Okay, good. What does the word survive mean?
To live.
Oh, good. Why did it say that somebody might enjoy living in the desert? Why do you
Because
think?
some people may think it's pretty.
Very good. Why do you think it's a good idea to learn how to live in the desert?
What do I think it's a good idea to live in the desert?
Okay, so if you thought it was a good idea, say someone dropped you in the desert
By mistake?
by mistake. So why do you think it's a good idea to know how to survive?
So you won't die?
Right. Okay, so we're going on to another one, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna get a little harder, right?
I know animal in the desert.
Which is what?
A desert fox.
Oh yeah, they have foxes living in the desert. Okay, so can I start?
I normally eat smaller insects.
The desert fox?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm starting, okay? Anyone? You okay? You're
Yes.
comfortable in that chair?
Yes.
Okay, so you want one of the other chairs?
No. No.
You okay? Well, maybe if you sit all the way back. Sit all the way back. Helping? Not really? Get comfortable first. If you want to put up your feet, and get comfortable.
Okay.
Better? Yes? Alright, I'm starting now, right?
Okay.
The elephant is the largest animal in the world that lives on land. A full-grown elephant may have a weight of about 4 tons and may be 9 feet tall. Because elephants are so large, they have no natural enemies other than man. Since elephants have so few enemies, they are usually easy to get along with and almost always act friendly. Elephants usually live in herds with around 30 members of all ages. A female or lady elephant is called a cow. The herd usually has a cow as its leader, who is in charge of all the other elephants. During the hottest part of the day, the herd will huddle together and attempt to find shade. Near sundown, the entire herd usually goes to a nearby river or lake for a drink. Elephants normally continue to stay together in a herd for most of their lives. Ready for the comprehension?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the largest animal in the world? Okay, you didn't even let me finish. How heavy might a full-grown elephant be? If it's okay.
Pass.
Okay. Why do elephants have no natural enemies?
Because they're so big.
Good. Why are elephants almost easy to get along
Because
with?
they're so big and nobody wants to fight them.
Right, so they have no enemies, and how do they act?
Friendly.
Good. What is a herd?
A herd is a pack of elephants.
Alright. How many elephants usually live in a herd?
Pass.
Okay, no problem.
17.
Okay. Who is usually the leader of an elephant?
A cow.
Right, and is that the male or the female?
That's the
Okay,
female.
right. What do elephants do during the hottest part of the day?
They try to find shade.
What do elephants usually do near sundown?
They go to get a drink.
Right. What did it say that would make you think? What did we read that will make you think elephants usually like each other?
Because they're so friendly.
Yeah. What so do they go off on their own, or
No.
what do they do?
Because they stay in groups.
Right. Okay, so we're finished with this one. Right?
Yes.
Do you think you need a break, or can I go on to the other one?
No, I think I need a break.
Okay. Right. So we'll take a little break.
We have 2 more to go.
And we have about 2 more to do. So I'm gonna stop, and then we'll finish these 2.
No,
and
no,
we come
more than
back.
2.
No, it's more than 2 sheets of paper, but it's not more than 2.
Oh, okay.
Okay.